Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Bish's RV right here in Calera, Alabama. Oh, we've got something we've never seen. This is a 2026 Winnebago Thrive, model number 18FBS, so let's get started. The length on this Thrive is 22 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 4,740 pounds with a hitch weight of 486. With a GVWR of 6,000 pounds. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, so if you're looking for one of those, a little smaller unit, this is going to be a great one to consider. I can't get to the other side because we are at their open house and the parking lot is roped off, as you can see by the tape here. But you do have a power tongue jack. Your propane, of course, is going to go there.
And a big thanks to Bish's for allowing us to be here.
Yes, absolutely. So here is going to be your pass-through storage. So
solar controller.
there. Yes, very nice pass-through storage.
Awning, 14
feet.
Yep.
All right. So this is Winnebago, and like you said, we personally don't see a lot of Winnebagos, so this one was fun to discover out here. So
And
looking at the back,
and they do give you a ladder too. Now.
yes, you do have a ladder. Your shower is actually going to be right at the very back. And I'm sorry that we can't get to the other side because of the way this is roped off, but we're going to show you the inside because I think you like it.
Somebody's like the little short one with the dual axles. Now this is really cool.
Yeah. Now I know you've probably seen this open floor plan before. Pretty much everybody has got a version of it, but we wanted to show you guys this one. So hey, while you're standing right there at the back door,
at the door. Okay.
Yeah, let's start back here. Yeah, so you are going to have this pantry area here.
Look at that.
This got some pull-out drawers.
Yep. Both of them.
Yeah, it's a little narrow, but those drawers actually are very helpful.
Let's see.
Yeah, 12-volt compressor fridge right at the back. Your furnace is going to be right under it.
Cool.
And yeah,
I'll just start right here.
Come down the kitchen area. Got your microwave up there. Free burner cooktop and your oven. And then your fuses are going to be underneath. So actually when this slides in, you can still get to your fuses. Very nice area under your sink. Great cabinets up above the sink. You do have your silverware drawer and your garbage cans.
Wow.
And for anybody who's ever had an issue with having to caulk around your sinks, this has solved that because this is all one molded piece. How utterly amazing is that?
You don't see that every day.
You do not. I am impressed. They also give you this really great window right here, so if you are standing here having to do dishes, you've got a great view out over the campsite. Alright, I'm going to turn around. Yeah, I wondered where those were. So here you're going to have a sofa that is going to jackknife for some sleeping, probably not for an adult, but if you have small kids or one kid with you. And then they have these great little removable tables.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and then you can store it right up there where they already had it.
Yep.
Amazing. All right. Now at the front, like I said, this floor plan is all open. So it makes it feel nice and airy in here. This is going to give you a queen size north-south bed. You've got hanging over here with open cubby area and a drawer, and then it's open on this side, so if you need to use a CPAP or charge your phones or something like that at night, you can do that, and it is on both sides. You also have USB charging on both sides, so yeah, hanging, great storage across the top.
And the struts that will hold these up.
Now, if you're going to need a little bit of privacy, maybe if you're traveling with a child or something, you do have a curtain here. Nice big windshield up front. with a shade on it.
There we go.
Yeah. It was a little slower raising than I thought it was going to be. You do have some storage underneath, so you can get actually
nice.
a lot of stuff in there. Let me back up over here by the door, just to show you guys this floor space in here. So, yeah, if you are looking for a couples camper or even a solo camper that's going to give you some pretty good floor space,
Yeah,
this one's great. Does have a TV in here. This looks like a 42-inch.
you know what? I don't know. 40.
40. I was only off by 2.
Yeah,
Not too bad.
it's really nice. It's not bad viewing from over there.
No, if you sit over here, I mean, I'm seated here on the little sofa, and yeah, it works. But we're not quite finished.
Okay.
I know people are saying, "Where's the bathroom?"
Whew.
It's right back here in the corner. This is going to give you a corner shower in here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're not always our favorite, but it will get the job done. It's
Yeah.
better than having to go to the bathhouse, trust us.
Some of them are kind of scary.
Some of those are sketchy at best.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, really good linen storage there. And this is actually going to give you a foot flush porcelain toilet. Over here you do have a mirrored medicine cabinet, and it's actually a little bit deeper than some medicine cabinets that you get.
This is so cool.
And then you have another one of these great molded sinks in here. I love that. You do not have to worry about it leaking around it. That is just amazing. And then there is, of course, some storage underneath it.
I'll tell you something. This almost will get the golden plunger now.
For a small camper?
For a small little bathroom. You have got some really nice storage.
Yeah.
And a lock on the door.
And a lock on the door. And your AC unit right up there. Yeah, I want to make sure I did point out the furnace under there, but yeah.
This is really cool. I'm glad we stopped and looked at this one. All right, everybody, if you like this little Winnebago Thrive, quit laughing. The dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, because you never know where we're going to be next.
Right. And if you happen to need some liquefied, check out our link down in the description. It'll take you directly to their website, and we have got a 15% coupon code.
Coupon code.
Yes.
All right,
Take
everybody.
advantage.
Just subscribe to the channel. Thanks, everybody.